We spend a lot of time talking about how to start. We celebrate the day one and the initial burst of excitement. But today, I want to talk about the middle. I want to talk about the Tuesday afternoon when the novelty has worn off and the goal still feels miles away. If you are here right now and you feel like you are just treading water, I want you to know that this is where the real transformation happens. Sustaining is an art form. It is the quiet act of choosing to stay, even when the fanfare has faded. Take a breath with me. You aren't stuck in the middle, you are growing in it. We often wait for the perfect conditions to be productive. We wait to feel 100% energized, 100% inspired, and 100% ready. But life rarely gives us those days. Most days are 60% days or 40% days. The secret to a gentle reset is learning to work with the energy you actually have, not the energy you wish you had. If all you have is 10 minutes of focus, give those 10 minutes your full heart. If you can only move at a snail's pace today, then move at a snail's pace. A slow mile is still a mile. Do not punish yourself for being human. Productivity is not a performance, it is a practice. Think about a tree in winter. From the outside, it looks dormant. It looks like nothing is happening. But deep underground, the roots are reaching further into the earth, anchoring themselves for the seasons to come. Your progress is often like those roots. Just because you can't see a finished result yet doesn't mean you aren't changing. Every time you return to your task, every time you choose to try again after a distraction, you are strengthening your consistency muscle. You are building a foundation that can hold the weight of your dreams. Trust the quiet work. Trust the silence. As we finish our time together today, let go of the pressure to have it all figured out. You don't need to finish the whole mountain today. You just need to keep your heart open to the journey. Thank you for allowing yourself this moment to reset. Remember, you are allowed to move slowly. You are allowed to take breaks. And most importantly, you are allowed to be proud of the quiet progress you are making, even when no one else sees it. Take this stillness with you as you move into the rest of your day. Stay steady, stay kind, and stay gentle. I'll see you in the next reset.